Hello friends, welcome to Mr. How To. Today we are going to see how to record and run macros in Excel. An Excel macro is a record and playback tool that simply records your Excel steps and the macro will play it back as many times as you want. So in our regular office activities, it is very useful where you have to perform n number of operations on your system downloaded data to arrive at desired output. So let's understand this by a simple example over here. I have taken few names over here in column A. So this is my system downloaded data. On daily basis, I perform set of operations to get the desired output on this. So now I am going to record all the steps which I'm going to do here on this data so that from next day onwards, I don't have to do it manually, those steps. I will just run the macros to do that activity. So let's see how to do that. I'm going to go in view, then click on macros, then hit the tab button as record. Then this will pop up this window. Then you have to save this by any name you want. I am saving it by Excel 7. So first tasks, what I do is I arrange them in alphabetical order. Next step, I give a title to this column, highlight that. And second operation I do is I find the length of the left entity and I also look for less than 8 letter values. I'm going to put the if condition over here. If it is less than 8, then yes, otherwise blank. I'm going to highlight this. Next thing, I'm going to put a filter over here so that I can sort those yes1 values. Now I have to separate them out, so I will color it. Now I will remove the filter. Now going to arrange it by color so that non-colored part I can easily delete that. So it is very useful when you have a filter data and you have to perform these kind of tasks where here you have to delete the data. So it doesn't delete the non-required data here. So it is very useful here to perform like this. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange it in alphabetical order. And I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to insert a column with serial number. and there are total 88 entries obtained out of this. So this is my desired output after performing the set of operations. So now I will again go to view, and stop recording. So now I will check this again for my downloaded data, whether it works fine or not. So let's see. I'm copying this again and pasting it over here. Now I don't have to perform the same steps which I did it manually. So next day I have again the system downloaded data. This data may be a different data. I have selected again the same data. We just have to check whether these number of steps in order have been performed or not in macros. So let's go to view, and we have selected it by Excel 7 name. So just run that macro. And as you can see, the desired output is already ready. Those were all 88 entries available for less than 8 values. So all these entries have been automatically made. So this is the way the macro runs the number of operations performed, and it saves your time for the repetitive actions. So hope you like this video. So let me know anything you want more on this in my comment box, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and we will meet in next videos. And up till then, keep watching Mr. How To. Thanks for watching.